Alright, hello, I'm back for a second bit of streaming. I'm back for a second bit of streaming. I'm not going to go directly back into what I was doing. This is a different type of streaming. I'm gonna actually do some to-do type stuff and see where I am. All very fun. So, what's the thing I wish to do? It is... So, first of all, I'm going to tidy up from where I was. Hang on a second while I make a note of where I am, and then I'll go back to what we're doing. Xcode again. Right. This user account doesn't open things in MacVim for preference, so let's do that. Alright. Text expander isn't working yet. And that is starting second live stream, for which I will shut the door before my baby gets a bit noisy. And there we go. Alright, so starting the second live stream, actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a look at the first. So, let's go into YouTube, and here you'll see, because I stay logged into YouTube, so you'll see all the ridiculous things that turn up on my recommendations, most of which are actually alright. What am I doing? I'm going to the Creator Studio because I want to set up my last one. Now, whenever we're ready. So, 9% down, 3% down, only 17 subscribers, doesn't matter. It's the yelling, it's the broadcasting that matters. So that was, oh, that's interesting. The other ones haven't uploaded yet, so I can't actually. The previous ones haven't uploaded yet, and that means that I can't, or at least they haven't paused yet. I can't actually do the editing on them. That's a shame. I'll have to go back to it and do it later. Okay, well then never mind on that note. This one, however, is going to be significantly different. And the reason it's going to be significantly different is because I'm going to do my to-do list. So, here's my to-do list. You've actually all seen this before. Don't want to open it in text, did it, do I? I just want the command that makes MacVim do everything. Where are we? Alright, so this is my to-do list. I have a bunch of stuff to do, obviously, and this is the way I'm going to do it. So, I did my calendar, and I think I checked my crate. I haven't actually checked my crate for the day, but it can wait because it's not likely to be work stuff. But as reminders, what I have to do is look at my phone, see, hang on, let me reply to everything. Reply coming shortly, generally okay-ish, I think. Actually, it's surprisingly low on the list. Alright, reminders. That's why I got my phone out in the first place. How do I get anything to remind myself? Twinkle, twinkle. Oh, so some of these are just silly ones. Look up, twinkle, Twinkle, and that's leisure, so it really doesn't count as part of this. Look at Twinkle performances. What else am I going to do? I've done that one. I've done that one. I've done that one. Done that one. Oh, another one that's not for work is try isofix in the car. Home. Is it home? It's actually plus home, isn't it? Oh, it's plus family. That's what's going on there. Daylight I've done. Send message to Jamie, and actually I can do that pretty much now. So, hold on. About us. I'm going to do WP admin. Let's see if it's remembered my username and password. It has not. Oh no. Alright. Then that's. Oh, it's not on the screen, so I don't have to worry about that. So what I'm doing right now is I've got a whitewater writers thing to do. And that is. I need the passwords, don't I? Need to see it, unfortunately. View. Oh, it's a video. Alright, let's put it in. No one's ever going to remember that password. Oh, I'm in. Right, so I'm here. So let me be clear, actually. This is an A because everyone else is working on it, waiting for it. And it's a whitewater writers one, and it is set up referencing information. Reference. References. I need to go to pages. Oh, I'll put that up again, haven't I? Shouldn't do that. So here what I'm doing is I'm setting up referencing information on website. And this is because of our belief that if you can answer an email by updating the website, you should do so. So editing the about. News references. That's what I want to do. This is where I generally have to do references. That's references in the first. Generally the best details to give for our volunteers or staff. Have a written or phone to give are Joe's, which should be Dr. Joseph Reddington's Chief Operating Officer equal time Joe at equality time, and let's put in my mobile number because I get enough spam as it is. Block quote. Oh, that's Chief Operating Officer. There we go. let's update and see if that works. Have I added an extra space? I've added an extra space. Silly person. All right. Let me. No, wrong person. There we go. All right, now I'm live replying to this, so I may as well make it just me because I've got to take a photo of this. So here's me taking a photo of it. Oops. Nearly sent him a selfie. That would be terrible. All right, that's done. All right, so I can mark that off. It's an X. All right, so at the moment I'm still doing, we should be clear, this one. And I'm still going through my set of reminders. So what else have I got? So what's actually happens is my reminders, I tell my phone or watch and they go into this. Done that. Oh, baby sign. Put baby sign videos on watch list. Plus family. All right. So that's everything. Oh, it's also I've got a bunch of family stuff here, haven't I? Fix chest of drawers for Nova, and that's also plus family. All right, let me sort these. Annoyingly, these ones all go to the bottom when you sort, so I actually need to sort that out. And that's a D because it's not a thing. That's actually an E because it's just interest. That's actually an E as well. That's someone has asked me to do. I've said I will do. I haven't said when, which makes it a D. Someone in this case being cat. All right, let's sort those out. All right, process reminders and brainstorms has been done. Apply for gift aid number has been started. It hasn't been finished, and it's not been finished because I need the get TJR national insurance number to apply for gift aid. That's easy, and actually, now I know I need to do that, I can put it in my calendar. In fact, hang on a minute, that's an at calendar, at email, so I don't have to do anything on that just yet. Get boxes for posting communication boards. I think I did. Let me check the. In fact, I'm fairly certain I did. So let's. Okay, it's not. Unfortunately, it's not that account. We're going to switch account. I'm fairly certain I did. But just to be sure, I'm going to make that a C and I'm going to be check boxes. That's not outside. Don't know what that is. Alright, so let me sort again. That I know. I think I've done that. Let me check. I'm pretty sure I did because I'm pretty sure I did it yesterday. Yeah. Da, 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 da. Yes, I have. That's good. I also know I've got the lesson posted printed, so that's good. Getting through these. Plan food and exercise. So actually, I've just been doing the food plan, so that's pretty good. So it's just plan exercise. What am I going to do for exercise today? It will be really good to go for a run. I want to do a 7 p.m. run. I think that's what I want to do. Making sure it happens around on the right side of food is a good idea, but I want to do a 7 p.m. run. Oh, I'm going to do a 7 p.m. run. Remind me, run at 7 p.m. Yeah, good. Alright, I've planned that. I have done that. This is quite a nice set of things to do. Alright. You know what I'm doing wrong here? That calendar thing I should have done. I should have done. There's not an easy way of doing it. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to message DJI now. I think I will. Let me go here. Let me go. Let me find today. Where are we for today? All right. Alright, I now know what I've done there. Right. Spend a full day on JavaScript. That's kind of interesting because what I've done so far is I've spent 2 hours, 10 minutes on it. I should go back to it really, shouldn't I? It is the most important thing. Oh, I've also done that. I have also done that. Let me come back to where I am. Just pause for a second. How far are we doing? 18 minutes. Alright. Let's spend a full day in JavaScript. It should be get OBF working in JavaScript, and the first step for that is to get the test setup working. That requires me to do a bit of work. What really that is basically, I don't care about the manifest, do I? I just want everything working. Right, some good time with me thinking there. It's the most important thing. I may as well get started. But let's get started in a really interesting way. Let's get started my way. Yeah, I know what I want to do. Alright, so I'm happy with those things. I'm going to hit status, hit commit, update, git push. Alright, so here's what I'm going to do. First of all, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stop this stream and I'm going to start the next stream. Hopefully that'll compare them into two. So, what have I got up to? Alright, so I'm actually... Yeah, while I'm here, references, what am I doing? What am I doing? So let's put in a HM. What we're doing right now? What we are doing. Find out what we're doing right now. But visual. Oh, full stop there. So I'm here. This is OBF compatibility. This is the other project. Right, now I know where I am. Load new OBF patch. Right. I'm going to take a swing at this today. So what am I going to do? I don't want to be there, do I? So this is an aid I created in the previous live stream, and at the moment it does not work. and I'm going to make it work, and I'm going to make it work eventually like the updated one. So vim index.text.html. It's a lot of stuff there, but let's copy index.html to test-driven development.html and open dot. Open with MacVim. Let's see how much we can strip this down so it doesn't have much in it. Alright, so that's all lovely. That's all lovely. That's all lovely. Do I need the loader? Doesn't matter much more. On the start, there's a box. 4 controls at the top of the page. Yes, lovely. Although it's in the way they're going. It's the main grid. At the very least, I'm getting rid of the Google Analytics. Just for now. Well, that's interesting. I've got a table and I've got a div called box. I don't think I need that table. Do I need that? Let me check what we've got. Designs.theopen voicefactory.org/clear.ppdx. I think I made one of these. Nope, that's downloading it. Let me put a slash on that. Nope, alright, let me just clear slash. Alright, let's see what. Inspect. Because it turns out, look, there's a body, yeah, table is hidden, and there's a box. The box appears to be utterly useful. It is absolutely the main ID, main grid that's getting moved. Yep, cool, okay, yeah, no arguments with that. I remember what's going on. Alright, I'm going to take off scanning now for the time being. I'm just going to take off the preload. What I'm doing is I'm making this as small as I possibly can, which means I don't actually want you, and you. Read JSON is indeed there. This is a bunch of OVF input, and what it's going to be is Joe TDD. It's a new branch. Get status. Alright. Onload start is enough for me, but I don't think I actually want read JSON. I think what I want is it's read data.js. And I'm going to start a whole new file called read-data.js. So touch JavaScript read_data.js. Right, let's try opening tdd.html. It's probably going to give me some problems. History, shift now, window. Developer, JavaScript console. Failed to load resource analytics. Didn't know I'd left analytics. Failed to know file manifest. That's weird because I don't think I'd asked it to. What's it doing? Start. What is it finding that to do? Oh, I've altered the wrong file. Copy tdd.html to all.html. Copy index.html to tdd.html. Move all.html to index.html. Right, my bad. Yeah, load all. That's much bigger. That doesn't have the same problems. Start is not defined. That's exactly what I was expecting to see. Alright, git status. Git add. tdd. Git checkout OVF. Import git commit -a -m. Typos and OT. Git checkout. Also, it doesn't actually matter how TDD I do this, does it? Because I'm in a place where they don't normally save files. Doesn't matter. We'll just keep going. Never mind the git on this one. So I've got the TDD. Start is not defined. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to say start. How do we define something in JavaScript? Say console.log hello world. Is that good enough? Suspect it's not. How do you do function? Right, so that's literally all it does. Now here's what I want to do, which is, what's the first thing I wanted to do? First thing, oh, I want to test that, don't I? So I'm going to need a test file, which is touch. Should I put this in templates? I think I probably should. Let's do the test at least. And I can copy some data over if I need to. Yeah, fine. Copy tdd to /templates. Copy javascript.read data to templates /javascript. cd tests. cd spec for the sake of the argument. Copy read JSON.test to read data.test.js. Open read data.test.o. Is that going to give me It is. It is going to give me that map V. Excellent. All right, let's move Jarvis. Read data. All right. This is me just setting up the test-driven development for the file I want to build. All right. Although annoyingly, I only got 2. Oh, right. It does appear that's my issue. It was fun after all. Alright, let me... That code is what we need. Who knew? So, right now, one of the things I've noticed during this live stream is I've become less and less inclined to talk to you and tell you what's going on, which is probably less good than it should be. Executed 13 and 13. That probably means that one of the ones I have, yeah, one of the ones I have is just editing, is just running a thing. So, let's do this. What's the first test? The first test is that a start function exists. That's pretty pretty clear, right? Karma check for function. Check. I have also just worked out that I need to do a important thing. All right, I need to do a thing quickly, which is going to involve Google. I'm going to see if I can log in as someone. Unless, hopefully, oh, interesting. I'm already logged in on my own Google Drive on this account, which probably would have saved a number of issues, but novels. And I need to generate quickly some files. Yellow out. It's replace 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, whoops, 9 plus 10. Oh, gee. See who I've got. Oh no, it is. Oh yeah, no, I've already done it. Never mind. Nah, you don't even need to remember all that. Alright, so, sorry, small distraction there. Let's remember where I was. I was doing I want to basically check alright, I'm not going to do the start function exists. What is the first thing I need to do? The first thing I need to do is find the manifest, and it's get manifest, isn't it? It's basically that. It is just get the manifest, find out what happens next. All right. We can get our manifest file. So, dunk, dunk, and that should simply be get manifest, right? Should we hard code it? No, let's give it a location, and that is manifest.json. Manifest equals expect manifest testing expect docs Office first suite. Jasmine expect greater than, yes. Oh, it's ridiculous. JavaScript length. It's the classic one you always have to look up, isn't it? Start length. I'm doing some weird thing there. Let's find out, shall we? Alright, well, let's do the silly thing and say if we don't know what it does, let's just delete it and see if it fails. That doesn't look ideal, does it? Let's see. Alright, so I've got a JavaScript problem. It's extremely annoying. And that was called... Alright, let's do the JavaScript validation again. And now we've got an unexpected token. Where's my unexpected token? Oh, come on. So that one. Oh, okay. Well, it's got 2 unexpected tokens here. 3 failed. Alright. Alright, good. Get manifest not survive. That is in fact the one we want. So let's, am I in the right place? I'm not in the right place. Now I'm in the right place. Alright, git status, git add tdd.html, git add scr read data, git commit minus m first test say link. Right. What am I going to do? I'm going to make this work. That's the first important bit. I want that to produce something. That's the read data test. Hang on, Mac Vim open in tab. That can't be the best way of doing it, but regardless, we'll just have to work on it. You know what I do want to do while I've got my to-do knocking around? It's like an E. Copy Mac Vim settings over to Joe's public. Because that would be quite nice. And I'm also, just because I'm not going to have many more of those. All right, how far have we got? Oh, I also now want to do open what I want is function get manifest and return 0. Presumably the I got to 12 failed, 13 failed. See if that keeps failing. Is that where it's going to keep going? Or is it only complaining that it's lost the browser? Let's just start the whole thing again and see if it copes. Don't need that. Do want that a little bit. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. All right, where are we? It's complaining about async timeout. Async callback. That seems a lot like it's appearing in two files, doesn't it? Doesn't it? Oh, particularly since I haven't got a thing in there. So let me check. Vim src read obf. Right. Manifest. Let's try now. No, it's got to be in there, and the reason it's got to be in there is because I frigging saw it. Okay, so read manifest. Oh, I don't get this. How do we do the tests? Did the tests get a little better when I did some sensible things? Well, let's just watch this, see what changes. It's not doing anything complicated. Why is it taking so long? What maybe it is this thing, or has it lost the browser again? It really has. Alright, start again from the beginning. I don't get it. Why am I just not working? Alright, so this now exists. Camera's connected. Alright, so those two things are reported as errors. Async timeout. What am I doing that's asking it to do anything asynchronously? But I don't get why it would ever time out. Alright. You can clearly see the browser. Why are you claiming you can't see the browser? So it does those things. Oh, is this because I took out the out? That might actually be why. Yes, that may in fact be why. My bad. Vim spec read JSON. Oh, hang on. I need to take a minute. I'm going to put you on hold. Hello.
Hiya! I combed my hair while waiting. Not that you can tell.
What can I do for you, Mum?
Right, two things. One is, of an apology that I've forgotten to send this on. This is the Premium Bonds request letter. So I'll put this in an envelope and send it to you.
That's cool. It is quickly reaching the point where it would be cheap. Like, I have spent more than £100 worth of time trying to get these premium bonds out. It is. They are such an arsey organisation to deal with.
Sorry, you're quite quiet.
Oh, I said there's such an arsey organisation to deal with.
Oh, right, I didn't find them too bad, actually. I found them quite human.
No, you can't. How? Okay, can I get? I've got some premium bonds. Can I cash them in, please? Oh, well, you'll need to register for online. You can either do it by form or do it by phone. Oh, okay, I'll do it by phone. Oh, well, to do it by phone, you'll have to have registered to do it by phone. Great. How do I register? Well, you'll have to do it by form. Oh, okay. Can you send me a form, please? Well, first of all, we need to confirm your address. Fine. Is this address? Well, no, you'll need to change your address. Oh, okay, fine, I'll change my address. How do I change my address? Well, you'll need to send us a form. Great.
I know, but at least I found for someone who sometimes with an online system, I find it quite difficult to navigate. I found speaking to humans was quite good.
Right.
I didn't have to go back so many times to another stage of the phone. That sounds like a Monty Python sketch. While you're on the phone, then just tell me what your postcode.
LU3 2AP.
That's the bit I have to look up. 68 Truro Gardens. Okay. Now, on the 1st of September, we take a stand at Bygone Times. Are you aware of this?
Is this one of the two things you rang up to tell me, or are you just now telling me other things?
Well, there's a reason I'm telling you this.
Go on.
Stay with me. Are you in a hurry? Do you want to do something?
I am in the middle of. I've got a hold sign up. I need to get some information out of you, which is I need your national insurance number, but I can also answer any questions you have.
Okay. The reason I'm telling you that is the few days before the 1st of September, on the 1st of September, I'm going to start to get really busy. And between 1st of September and Christmas, my time will be much more tight.
Fine.
So it dawned on me that this is a good week for me to go, because I've been thinking I must come and see you, and Nova's disappearing into a different person. Is there any time this week where you won't be quite so busy and I can come and see you?
There literally is not. This week we were we were visiting a sick aunt yesterday. Cat's in London Wednesday and Friday. And like you could take the baby on Friday. That'd be quite fun. It's actually not a stupid idea. Let me do it.
If I come down, I mean, my main purpose is to come down because I don't want. It's all right not seeing you in 6 months. Not that I like seeing you, but you don't change that much.
Granted. Granted.
Depends if you're on a good day or
yes.
a bad day. But let me know. So it may be that I can help with baby on Friday, and it may.
At the moment because she's got family members dying. But I will talk to Kath and see where she is.
Right. Well, if I can be of use, then put it another way. If I can be of use.
Yes.
I'd be delighted to be. Who is it? Is it her mum's sister or is it auntie or?
It's a great auntie. Okay, I will talk to Kat. What is your national insurance number? It is very nice of you. It will be good. I will talk to Kat.
YT.
Wait a second. Oh, I could just use paper and pen, couldn't I? That'd be great.
That's a good novel idea. I've used them before. They're quite good.
JT, or YT.
YT 57 13 28 C. Now I'm just going to check that. I'm checking that because yeah, that's right. I've had a habit of boxing the numbers round.
Let me check that. YT 57 13 28 C.
Yes.
Cool.
What's that for, Joe?
That's for registering as with HMRC. I got most of the way through the form, and then it was like, I need your trustees' national insurance numbers.
God,
Yeah. Yeah, but we're nearly there anyway. All right, anything else on your list? All right, speak to you soon. Love you.
Bye, and you.
All right. All right. Hello again. That was me talking to my mother. Let me do a thing which is talk to cat about mom. Visit plus family. Right. Where had I got to? I was making this. Oh, I was working out why this didn't. Oh, I had worked out why this didn't work. I just hadn't finished the working out. It's this done function. Let's put done fn in. Is it after the if? Function expect done function. Let's put that in. And now let's run the test. The effort involved here. The effort. It appears to have passed. Well, that's silly. We might need to change the test a bit. It's not less than 1. It's undefined. Sigh. Let me actually get the thing to do a thing. It's not return 0. It's why not git add spec read data test git commit minus update. All right. So we've got to go and get a manifest. Now, when we're going to get the manifest, let's try getting it directly from read JSON, shall we, which is in JavaScript. So what I want to do is I want to do open JavaScript read JSON. It's annoying me that Vim isn't set up as I like it. So let's start. And the read manifest, I want read manifest. Read manifest requires a callback function. Let me just take it straight out and see what happens. Alright, so remember this, it's good. We don't keep anything, we don't know what it does until we find out what it does. And no, on state change it does this. Yes, that's why you have to use a callback function, isn't it? It's because it doesn't come out nicely. So you have to pass in a callback. Let me look at how this works on the existing GitHub. If you want to look at the code, How are we doing? Another hour. I don't feel like we're getting very far. So I used to do it as just once you've got it, once you've gone and got it, you've got it. Right? But what you should do is you should run a callback. Which I think is what these guys must have done. Okay, 1 second. Put you on hold again. You alright? Do you want me to go and get stuff out of the oven? Oh, right. You sure? Do you want to bring me back in a minute? All right, love you. All right, that's another phone call. Let's come back in. I haven't worked out this callback rubbish. All right. All right. Fine. Right, a good point. Hmm? All I want is XML. What's it called? XML HTTP request JavaScript test. I'm going to test it. That's handy. 6 people have answered the question I have. No, that's not what I want to do. What I want to do is wrap that in a function. Well, I do not understand that code. Let's try again. Well, that's not a very good one. I don't understand functional programming, that's the problem. So, this gets run. When it replies, it makes a call, right? I get that. Now, what I want is it in the start? So you read manifest, you pass it a function. Oh no, you just pass it. Where's that stop? Is it this one? I'm misreading this, aren't I? So that is all the header. Alright, that is not all the header. That is all. This is all the argument, alright? And it's just a nameless header. Now I'd like if we called it something else, but fine. So what happens when we pass that in? We pass that in, we'll pass the callback, so it calls it back. Right, we'll pass that and it just calls, right? It does some stuff and it calls that back, right? So basically it's saying take this, do that, oh, I think I can do something with that. Right, get manifest. Get manifest requires several bits. So first of all, we run function get manifest, which takes a file name and does this. Then within that, we're going to go. We're going to return manifest wrapper gets the callback, right? It calls the callback. Calls the callback. And then calls the callback. Once it's called the callback, that's all that does. That just calls the callback. But it's the callback that's activated. That's the function that gets... Oh, this needs some serious thinking about. Person live streaming of me just thinking about this. Oh, hang on. It's not doing anything. That passing in doesn't bring it back again. It just, like, this, nothing's coming back out, right? That doesn't need to be a headless thing at all. And nothing comes back out. What I actually want to be asking here is, after a delay of 1 second, is the manifest a manifest? That's actually what I'm saying. So, let's get back into that. Yeah, all of this was rubbish. All this actually should say, and I'm dropping all that. I'm losing that, and it should just say manifest equals, and up here I'm going to be like manifest equals dunk dunk, manifest equals. That's all I have to do. And it's not manifest, is it? It's refresh manifest, load manifest. Let's say refresh manifest. Manifest. Oh, no, load's a better word, isn't it? Unless they call it load up there. It's a read. Alright, let's load manifest. Go and get it. And I'm not going to return anything because that's silly. And that is where we end up. Alright, so did that do anything to the tests? Probably should have done eventually, but I need to also change the tests. Load manifest is in read. I didn't just mess around with that one, did I? No, okay. Read data test. Get manifest. Is it Fred.sleep? Is that Java? Hmm. Get manifest is not defined. I know it isn't. It should be redefined. Read manifest. No, it's not. It's load manifest. Honestly. Fail that. Fail that. None not to be less than 1. Whoop! Okay, we're a lot further, closer than we were. Load manifest. And that is saying manifest.json. JavaScript. Working directory. I don't think we can do working directory, can we? Slash context.html. Where the hell have I got a context? Find dot slash grep context. Karma.static. Oh, I need a proper bang there, don't I? Oh, hang on. What's this? Hang on. That sounds like I'm in trouble for something. I've actually been running this the whole time. Right. Ah, browsers, Chrome. Let's change that to Firefox and see what happens. Because I think there's a thing that Chrome can't be tested this way. No, it turns out. Perhaps I'm missing a plugin. I probably am. Firefox launcher, comma, npm. And now I find myself installing things. They're attacking this from many angles, aren't they? All right. Yeah. Say again? That's very kind. I think I'm good, thanks. Right, I've got my Firefox launcher. Let's see if we can now run the test with Firefox. So far, nothing's broken. Still getting a 404. It's definitely there. All right, it's time to reduce this down properly to a whole other minimum verifiable example, isn't it? Let's put this into a form for Stack Overflow. So I don't want to be in templates. Don't want to be in Open Voice Factory. Minimum verifiable example. Minimum complete verifiable example. cd. Copy copy / the Open Voice Factory template data manifest.json to here. Copy src read data to here, and copy spec read data test to here. And in fact, can I just run npm test here? Package.json. Why do I need package.json? It's not clear. Can I just do start instead? Fine. Though it's pretty weird, I'm pretty sure I was using Karma a second ago. No, something's happening outside. It's not worth worrying about too much. All right. Not doing very well on this, am I? Particularly at the thing. So, templates, package, JSON to here, and I want to do npm test because it's now got a package to JSON. Anything else? This is not doing anything. Like, it's literally not doing anything. I got Node working, didn't I? Now, RM package. I got Node working on one of my other things, and I'm going to get it working here. You're kidding. Oh, part of that might have been the nodes. I might have just re-deleted that. It's really hard to articulate how far you've gone with this. This is genuinely hard. Yeah, Jasmine, no, Chrome, that's it. Location, star.js, no, config file, yes. I'm glad I saved this stuff somewhere. Alright, now let's try. Alright, cannot find module Jasmine core. Sigh. Then core -- save dev. Is that what I do? Fine. Okay, well that doesn't... Alright, let's see if this might now work. Creating a minimal verifiable complete example turned out to be really hard. Alright, that's a start. We're getting somewhere. Alright, so let's open this. We're going to drop all that out. That's fine. I'll create a GitHub thing for it. Ah. Right, we don't have an Xcode. Oh, I might be able to just log into, because I'm logged in with my Google, aren't I? Never know. Hey, I am in. Oh, no, I've got 20, new rep. Ooh. Alright, let's ask a question. Why won't this No. Here we go. Debating taking off the mic just over that, right? Working on a Java script. Modern JavaScript application that reads a manifest file when loaded. I'm trying to hit by item. Looks like this output is being comma. Jasmine, JavaScript, testing. Alright, I have asked a question. Alright, that's as far as I want to get with the JavaScript for now because it is doing my head in. And so that's another 2-hour live stream for today. So 4 hours today. Well done, me. And I think it's probably a good time for a break. No, it's not to the break. I've got to do some more. Next thing to do is actually to be done offline anyway. I've gone over 2 hours. Yeah,